Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how you can look effortlessly beautiful and recreate the Sabrina Carpenter hair updo for your next upcoming event. I start off by brushing the hair, then I take a section at the front. Using my curling iron, I'll be curling away from the face. I make sure the hair is facing the rod instead of going against it because this will cause weird kinks. Instead of actually curling the hair, I roll it almost all the way because the mannequin has short hair, then I twist it and pull, opening the curling iron only slightly. If you have long hair, I recommend using a longer barrel curling iron, or you can use the wand if you are not able to use the curling iron with the clamp. Please make sure that you use 1-inch curling iron barrel for this hairstyle. Remember, it takes time to master the curling iron with the clamp, but a trick to dominate is to practice without turning it on to avoid heat damage. I repeat this step throughout the whole head. Now that I'm done curling the hair, I want to loosen up the curl so that it looks more messy and piecey. Since I'm starting at the back, I'll clip away both front sides. I start off by sectioning the crown area and creating my ponytail. This will be the bun base. I smooth it out using my boar bristle brush, then I tie it up, going around 3 times with the hair tie. I divide the ponytail into 3 sections and tease them for volume and cushioning. Then I bobby pin it into place. A little tip to make the bobby pin seamless is to use a color that's similar to your natural hair color. After my bun base is secured, I grab the bottom hair, smooth it out into a bun, and I also make sure to leave a few pieces of hair to frame the nape area for a soft, messy effect. I go around the elastic 3 times, then I'm repeating the same steps, but this time I won't be teasing each section. Now I'm moving towards the front 2 sides. I pin the bangs away and start with the front section. I smoothed out my section with a bow or bristle brush, then I over-directed the opposite way. I put my bobby pin where the hair meets in the middle of the bun, but instead of pinning the ends, I leave them out. I repeat the same step with the next section, but before I put it up, I make sure to leave a few pieces of hair to frame the hairline. After both sides are finished, I check for balance. The trick with this hair updo is to gently pull and fluff out any areas where it needs more volume. A little tip is to use a little bit of paste or pomade to go over the pieces that are framing the bun. I noticed at the front it looked a little separated, so I fixed it by putting in bobby pin to connect both sides. Now I'm going to do the bangs. I sprayed them lightly with water, then I go in with my 43mm round brush. The trick is to brush both sides to get rid of any cowlicks or kinks. Now that I'm happy with the bangs, I'm going to curl the framing pieces all around the head. And we are all done. Look at these final results. This hair updo is so cute, it's perfect for any fancy occasions. It also can be adjusted to any hair length. Thank you for watching. Please comment any other hair tutorials you would like to see.